Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna introduce myself because I realized I didn't do that to my videos. So hi, I'm Keni. I am 17 years old. I homeschool. I attend the Enlightium Christian Academy. I live in Ghana. Yeah, that's basically it. It's like I have that's me. Okay, so I showed you guys like me cleaning my physical space, rearranging my room again, and yeah. So yeah, we're gonna get into the reset. So I've basically done everything, but now I'm just going to share it with you. So we're gonna start with the month end. So for March, March was not it. Like I just to say that March was not it. I fell off a lot of stuff, but like the thing about me is I like when I have a streak with something. Even though I'm not doing it intentionally, I just want to know that I did at least something of that day. So like with my devotions, I literally, though I was just not feeling it, I did not miss a day. Like I have a problem, and that was my goal, to always have intentional devotion time. But like, dude, I did not have that. I was just at some point, like during the ending of like March, I was just doing it just to do it. I'm not kidding. So, dude, my door always opens and it pisses me off. So yeah, that was it for my like relationships. School was bad. Like school was bad. I'm still stressing with the fact that I might not end my semester, my quarter well. Like I'm stressing, dude. This is so weird. I can't mess up. Even though like I was accepted into schools and stuff like that. But like, dude, I don't want to. Dude, I just don't want to end the semester badly. But I'm going to do something about it. What else? Yeah, I got a lot of rejection. I got a lot of rejections this month from schools. Dude, I don't even like. I'm not really bothered because like I have some acceptances, so I'm just okay with that. So yeah, I was just off track a lot of stuff. So I'm just like on my laptop and trying to get the stuff. So let me just put it here. So I was just off track a lot of stuff. Relationships, dude. I was just overthinking everything, and it was bad. It was just bad. But the high for this month also was that I found out about a financial thing I could do to pay for college, like a loan for international students. Like it was even shocking to me because like I thought we don't have that. So that I'll be able to pay for college and then pay gradually afterwards. So that's a good option. I just need to wait on a few. I need a course and if it ends after all that stuff. So I also want to make a video about helping like a special school. So when I'm finalized and I know that everything's fine, then I'll make that video because I don't want to make it and then like it doesn't make it, you know? So yeah. So that's it for the high. Like I had a feeling things is going to go well. So that's it for my month end review. Okay, so now reviewing my March school. So as you know, as I said before, that this month was not it, but I'm just going to go over my goals. So I wanted to finalize the school. So the thing is, I have a school that I like, and like it's really good. Like if I go to that school, I'll end with a master's, but after 4 years. Like it's not going to my undergraduate for 4 years and then master's for I think 1 year. I'm going to end the 4 years with a master's, which is really really nice. So I have, but I don't know. And then so that goal, no, I have not really finalized the school. Follow through my routines. Yes, what I said, I wasn't intentional, but I did do it. So just my workouts were. But like yes, I checked that. A's and A pluses. Now, as I said before, school is not it, and I might get some A minus, which I don't want it. But like, it's better to get an A minus than a B plus, especially in my household. So yeah, both appreciate an A minus. Okay, so also finish one book, dude. Guys, I did not read at all. Like the book that I read, I think I read 10 pages this whole month. So yeah, reading was just like doing everything was messed up this month. Post 4 videos, of course I did. Okay. You see, I will miss everything but posting a video. Start up piano, no. I had no extra time, I do it. No. So a hairband, no. But I'm sure like April I will. Yeah. Okay, so now what are my intentions? Be patient with the people around me. Yeah. Very, because like yeah, I was back on saying sorry when you have done something wrong. I didn't really do anything, so I didn't have to. But if I did say it. So yeah, check. Work on saying you are welcome. Yes. Be your own person. Yes. Like I really tried this year to like just do what I want to say, what I want to say, what I want to do. Because like at the end of the day, it's me. I don't want to change myself just to please you. Like I really want to get away from all the people pleasing and stuff like that. Okay, so now that's all for reviewing the March goals and intentions. Okay guys, now it's time for the April goals. Okay, so my first goal is to finalize all my college stuff. So the financial, the school I'm going to, and like my plan on getting there, everything like that. I want to just finalize it. Like I am done. And plus first is the deadline to like decide on to accept offers from schools and stuff like that. So I want to just finalize this all in April. And I also want to follow through with my routines. Like this time, not just following through with them, but also being very intentional and like making sure that I'm doing it and like really in there doing it. A's and A pluses. So at the end of the month, I want to make sure that I have A's and A pluses, no A minuses, no B pluses. Next, sorry about the noise outside. Like what? Finish one book. Like the book I'm reading. What's it called? This book. Like dude, this is all I read. This is all I read. Yeah. So I want to finish. Like this book is not long, honestly. I don't know why. And it's really good. So I'm going to finish this in April. sew one hairband. Like I want to just sew one hairband. Honestly, it's for me because like I really want hairbands right now. So yeah, sew one hairband. Learn to play one melody on the piano. But like the skill is leaving me. I never really had the skill like an expert. But like I don't want to leave, like forget the little that I know, you know? So yeah, I also want to post 4 videos. Again, like every week one video. For my intentions, I want to be patient. Like things are delaying in my life and I am losing patience. But I know that I should just be patient. Yeah, they are coming. I should just be patient. I also want to be disciplined. Like if I make a plan, follow through with it. Just because people are not like there with you, or like just because people are not doing it, that doesn't mean you shouldn't do it, because you made it like your goal, your plan to do it, so like you have to do it. Next, I also want to be myself no matter what. Like I really want to, like this intention is going to go with me throughout the year. I just want to be myself, growing myself. I know I have flaws, and so I like working on them. Just being yourself and like growing in yourself. Just like my overall theme for the year, like which is growth and like evolving. So yeah, now that's all for the month, like April goals. Now what's next? Oh yeah, we're gonna talk about books. Okay, so for my books, I literally, as I said, read no books, but I plan on reading this book. So yeah, we're gonna read it. And favorite, so I just wanted to talk about all my favorite stuff. So I'm going to do favorite products, favorite songs, and then favorite podcasts. To go to favorite songs. So I don't know if you guys have, if you have, like comment down below. Have you watched that movie Turning Red? It's like a Disney Pixar, I don't know, something cartoon. I haven't watched it fully, but like I've seen parts of it, and like there's this song that like a group in the movie sings, Nobody Like You, right? Nobody Like You by Four Town, like the name of this group. Yeah, that song is really nice. I also like Slow by Camido Magic's. I also like You Know What's Up by the same Four Town. I also like Stereo Hats by Gym Class Heroes and Adam Levine. Like that song, dude, it's so good. I don't know. I also love Sunroof by Nikki Yuri and Dave Dazi. I don't know. I don't know like the names. I love High Hopes by Panic at the Disco. So you guys can check out all my songs. Like I have a playlist, Keni's favorite tracks, on my Spotify. So you can just check all my songs, like my favorite tracks. I have 61 songs. So yeah, check it out if you want to like know what I'm listening to. Okay, so now my favorite podcast. My favorite podcasts are, I love what they call Pretty Basic by Alicia Marie and Remy Cruz. I like On Purpose with Jay Shetty. I love The Toast. Those people are so funny. I like Making Moves with TK. I like Not Your Typical with Caitlin Nolan. I love Unsolicited Advice. What We Said. Those people are really good. I Love You So Much with Kenzie Elizabeth. Like all that are all those on my Spotify. I don't know if you can find people's podcasts on Spotify, but like those are what I'm listening to. So yeah, that's all for my stuff, my recent this April. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Honestly, I have so much school that I've been thinking about during this whole video that I'm going to do. So like I don't know if I really said everything, but I'm going to do that now. And I thank you guys so much for watching. Honestly, thank you. And comment down below what you do for your monthly resets. Yeah, so yeah, that's it for this video. Subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video, which is going to, I've already filmed. It's a productivity, my productivity system. So yeah, I'll show you guys that in my next video. Bye guys.